walls vain. The shepherd walks his old dog home through gray, humming a tune the hills once played, boots wet with dew and tender day. Smoke from the cottage carries the scent of pine. Someone by the fire brews tea and memories intertwine. The wind through Glencoe Valley sweeps the roofs of moss and rusted chimneys. The sound of bagpipes drifts from the hill, even time slows down and breathes in still. Afternoon light falls on the tavern sign. Redwood door, brass bell, and time. Old men talk of weather and wool trades right. A girl by the window sews her plaid line. The wind outside brings the smell of bread and rye. A violin hums softly in the corner like a lullaby. The wind through Glencoe Valley, over Wheatfield's bridges and the postman's alley. Laughter circles white in the white mist's hue, like sunlight in the afternoon, gentle and true. Children chase the sheep toward flowers by the lake. Grandmother hangs her yarn. The cat dreams at her feet. Night descends, stars fall into the wine. People raise their glasses, no one says goodbye. The wind through Glencoe Valley